Good morning here, mates. Okay, here we are back in the barn again. This is a 2021 triple black with the new headlights, just a GS. So it's not the GS Adventure. Good news though, is my GS Adventure is on the road. It's painted, it's all put back together again. That video is coming shortly. But today I want to talk about, well, basically customers. You, my customers, the bikes that are coming in every week. I've got quite a few lined up in the barn right now. I'll show you them, and my one's in there too. So I'll show you that, but I'll blur that out for now until that video comes. But this customer dropped it off, had it transported to me in a vehicle earlier this week. It was Friday today, and today he's collecting his bike by his helicopter. It's just a bit of a fun video, really, just to show you that I've got customers from all walks of life. So you can either drop your bike off yourself, get a lift back to where you live, and then pick it up again later in the week once all the work is done to it, or I can arrange transportation and have it collected and brought to me and taken back to you, or you could have it collected and then get a lift here and collect it yourself, or like this chap, you can have it transported to me and then get your pilot. Well, actually he's flying up himself with a co-pilot, and his co-pilot is flying the chopper back whilst he rides his new GS back home. Anyway, I better get back together again quickly. He's literally turning up in an hour and the bike's in bits. Okay, 5 minutes later, only kidding, it's about 6. Good half hour later, putting the bike back together nice and carefully, flipping around the D4 lenses so the lenses are the right way around, floods on the bottom, spots on the top. Here it is, my first 2021 triple black in the barn, all kitted out with a D4 bundle and a B6 rear light. I'll power it up so you can see how it looks just before he picks it up in his chopper. I'll tell you what, I'll take it outside and have a good look around it then. Here comes the helicopter. I tell you what, it's pretty good. Bang on midday. Bang on midday. So this is a bike thing customer. He's dropped his GS off to have a load of work done to it, and we had it transported up by van earlier in the week, and then he's collecting it in his helicopter. He's got a training instructor flying it back to London so he can ride his bike back, and he thought he'd just give us a quick tour of the area by air. And of course the mission gets to fly it too. duck my head under that rotor there. So that's pretty cool. So I wasn't expecting that to get a little ride and I'm a recce of the area. So now let's get this guy on his bike and the young 25-year-old lad, 25 years old, not married. What a life he's gonna have. So he's gonna fly back to London and Dave's gonna ride his bike back down to London. Right, over and out.